Delray floor plan features an open kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Split bedrooms with a large primary bath and 2 walk-in closets. Check out the beautiful front porch and the large rear covered porch. This home is situated in the premier Jubilee Farms subdivision, just minutes from shopping, restaurants, and I-10. Enjoy many amenities in this community, including a large pool, separate adult pool, water slide, splash pad, gym, yoga room, playground, and more. This energy-efficient home includes thermal doors, Energy Star-rated double-pane windows, and 14 SEER carrier heat pumps. This home was built to Gold-Fortified HomeTM certification, which may save the buyer on their homeowner's insurance.